Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Sign for e-signatures, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Adobe Sign for e-signatures, start by logging into your Adobe Sign account. Navigate to the admin section from the dashboard. Select the account settings option. In the account settings menu, go to the e-signatures tab. Here, you will see various settings related to e-signatures. Begin by enabling the electronic signature feature if it isn't already turned on. Next, choose the signature method you prefer for your documents. You can select from the options like drawn signatures, typed signatures, or the use of images. After selecting your preferred signature method, save your changes. Now, move to the branding section to customize the signing experience. You can upload your company logo and set the color theme for your documents. Once your branding is set, proceed to the User Management section. Add team members who will be using Adobe Sign for e-signatures. Assign appropriate roles to each user based on their responsibilities. Next, go to the Workflow section to create your template. Select Create Template and give your template a unique name. Upload the document you want to use and define the signature fields. Set the signing order if multiple signatures are required. Once your template is ready, save it for future use. To test your configuration, navigate back to the dashboard. Create a new agreement and select the template you just made. Fill in the necessary details and send it for signing. Monitor the status of the document to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Review the document once it has been signed to confirm the signatures are valid. If issues arise, consult the help resources available in Adobe Sign. By following these steps, you can fully configure Adobe Sign for e-signatures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.